website of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb, where love to enjoy the surroundings. Six categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Subscribe our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property.